the drawings. Hello little friends, Ava here. Welcome to our channel for another amazing drawing. Today we are going to learn how to draw one of the biggest animals that exist in nature. Do you know which animal that is? You got it right. It is a beautiful elephant. Have you got your pencil and paper? Now get ready and let's go. Let's outline the whole body of our little elephant step by step very slowly. Let's start the outline of the elephant by its head. We continue forward in the same line. Now let's go through the elephant's little face. Very good! Did you know that elephants are herbivorous animals? They feed on grass, grasses, fruits, and tree leaves. Now let's start drawing the front legs of our little elephant. We draw its right paw. We also outline its left paw. Elephants are amazing animals. They are big and strong, but they are also gentle and loving. To finish this line, we draw the little face and find the line where we started. Yes, very nice. Notice that we left several points marked that we will start to complete step by step. See the template in the corner above to clear your doubts before making the lines. Let's draw the outline of the right ear of our little elephant. Continue drawing very slowly. Well done! Now let's draw the contour line of the left ear. Did you know that elephants always use their trunk to pull their food out and bring it to their mouth? They graze grass or head for the trees to grab leaves, fruit, or whole branches. If the food is too high, the elephant wraps his trunk around the trunk of the tree and shakes it until the food comes loose. With his strength, he can simply topple the tree completely to eat its fruit. Elephants are very strong animals. Keep drawing very slowly. Well done! Did we finish the lines of the two little ears? It's looking very good. Our little elephant is already starting to appear. It was very easy up to this point. Now let's draw the little legs of our elephant. First, we draw the lines of the left foot. A curious thing about elephants is that they are social animals and live in groups. They have an incredible memory and have the ability to recognize the faces of other elephants. We will draw a curved line that represents the shadow of our elephant on the ground. We will also draw the lines of the right foot. Well done! To finish the front paws, we will draw the lines of our elephant's nails and legs. Wow! It's getting really good! Now let's draw the details of the little face. We draw the outline of the neck and the lines of the mouth and trunk of our elephant. To finish the whole outline, we draw the little eyes of our little elephant. We draw the left eye and finally we draw the right eye. Wow! We finished the whole outline of our little elephant. He is beautiful. If you like the elephant drawing so far, you can subscribe to the channel now. Yes, well done. You have seen how drawing an easy elephant, step by step, very slowly, is a lot of fun. Now let's color it. It's time to color this cute little elephant drawing. Our little elephant cub will be very colorful and happy. I have already separated the three colors that we will use to paint our little elephant. To start our painting, we will use the light blue color to paint the whole body of our elephant. We start by painting the top part of the ears light blue. Well done! We also paint the two hind legs. Very good! Now we paint the whole body of our elephant step by step very slowly. Pay attention to the curves to make a very nice painting. Well done! To finish this step, let's paint the little face of our elephant, step by step very slowly. We'll start with the head. Keep painting very slowly. Pay attention to the details to make a very nice painting. Finally, we paint around the eyes. We painted his cheeks. And we also painted his whole trunk. That's very good. Wow. It is perfect. Our elephant is looking very good. Let's use the light gray color to paint the shadow of the elephant on the floor. Keep painting very slowly. Follow the line very slowly. Yes, very well. This color was much easier and faster than the light blue, wasn't it? To finish our painting, we will use the color pink to paint the ears and feet of our cute little elephant. We will paint his entire left ear pink. We'll start at the top and finish at the bottom. Continue painting very slowly. Follow the line very slowly. Yes, very well. We will paint his left paw too. Well done. Now we'll paint his right paw. Yes, very well. And finally, we'll paint his whole right ear, starting from the bottom and ending at the top. Continue painting very slowly until the end of the little ear. Wow! Our little elephant is now complete. My friends, the drawing of this cute little elephant is wonderful. It is a very colorful and happy drawing. Drawing and painting this cute elephant with me was a very nice way to learn. Congratulations! It looks amazing! Thanks for drawing this cute little elephant together with me so far. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Now you can like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any new drawing. I will always bring new drawings here. A super kiss from Ava and see you next time.